Hello, Sanbonani. Today we are doing cheesy garlic bread rolls. Let's begin. Preheat the oven 280 degrees Celsius or 356 Fahrenheit. Grease the grater with oil so to avoid cheese sticking to the grater. Now we're grating mozzarella and we'll be grating cheddar cheese. Chop fresh parsley, garlic cloves, and set them aside. Apologies, I haven't shown where I am chopping the garlic cloves. I did it off camera. In a bowl, mix softened butter with garlic and parsley. Mix well. I would like to thank you for coming through to watch my video. I really appreciate your time. Please check the description box for a list of ingredients and more information. I was showing here that you don't have to buy expensive bread rolls in order to do this delicious recipe. Now you can either cut the roll sideways or cut it on top, make slits on the top of the rolls. Spread the garlic butter followed by mozzarella and cheddar cheese. Or you can use either of the cheese. You don't have to have both of them. We're layering the flavors. Follow with Melrose cheese spread. We want that gooey center. This is the other way of cutting the roll, making incisions on top of the roll and fill as we filled the previous roll. Please subscribe and press the notification bell to be part of the family. That will really grow my channel or our channel. Please press the like button and leave a comment below to add more value to this video. Bake or braai the rolls until the cheese melts and they are crisp on the sides. hope you have enjoyed my video. Thank you so much for your time. Enjoy. Bye bye.